PNP presidential aspirant Peter Bunting's Rise United camp is accusing the incumbent, Dr. Peter Phillips, of refusing to let go of the leadership of the PNP because of his personal desires. A similar criticism has been leveled at Mr. Bunting by supporters of Dr. Phillips. But speaking in St. James yesterday, Mr. Bunting's team launched a strong defense.
The Rise United camp pitched tent in Salt Spring, Montego Bay, St. James over the weekend to continue spreading the message of change their candidate Peter Bunting says he will bring if he becomes PNP president and then prime minister.
Everything that Michael Manley fought for in the 70s, we can't give that up because we go around it with contract work. That would be betraying the legacy of Michael Manley, and we're not going to make that happen. We have to ensure that people don't make their family go into crisis because of one illness and they're a contract worker and they don't have a right to sick leave with pay.
Supporters of Mr. Bunting are adamant that the timing of this challenge is right because the people are demanding new leadership in the PNP. They dismissed criticism that their movement is born out of the personal ambition of Peter Bunting.
Lisa won't believe that too. Damian won't believe that too. All of them won't believe that, but guess what? It's only one man brave enough, and it's Comrade Peter Bunting. If there is a personal ambition in the race, I know Peter Bunting have it. Them a turn the party in a gimmicks business. I mean, I like that. The party is a party to deal with issues and uplifting the people of this country. I be a style them upon it. Even the name one PNP is a styling thing.
Campaign manager of Rise United, Dr. Dayton Campbell, said he's prepared to respond to the increased personal attacks that have come his way since he went public with his support of Peter Bunting.
Bunting don't need to give me $1 to support him because me is a boy will make it in a life. Because for my mother work hard and send me to school, and me go up to school and me take book and me name Dr. Dayton Campbell for hospital and me work. The boy can't tell me nothing and style me. Because me not beg nothing from nobody. And me attack some hard truth and all them can do after that is vex. All them can do after that is vex. Because two reasons. One, them can't take me seat from me because me and my people them good. And two, if them take it from me, I still PNP. Even if they kick me out of PNP, they can't kick the PNP out of me.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.